Alright, Sergeant's meeting is over. I am on my way out of the parking lot. Took a huge group photo today. I think it's a great way to build morale. But now, I am on my way to the house. I have a lot of work I got to do today. Like I mentioned in the last video, I've got a porch I got to clean up. I got grass I got to cut. I got a fence row I got to clear out. Just got to leave this place behind me. Got to leave the institution behind me and go home and take care of what I got to take care of there. They talked about a lot of good stuff. They talked about a lot of very important information, but that's all pertaining to work. One of the things they did talk about, though, was living a balanced life. They choose to go with the Secretary of the Department of Corrections, retired Major General Mark Inge. He described the living a balanced life as having 4 rooms in your house: intellectual, emotional, spiritual, and physical. That's a great way of looking at it. I have an entirely different method of looking at it, and it has to do with the 2 wolves. I'm sure you've heard of the 2 wolves. Inside of us, there are 2 wolves. Inside of each and every person, there are 2 wolves. It's an American Indian, Native American philosophy. And the first wolf is full of anger and violence and just all of the bad things that come with being a human being, all the bad parts of the human condition. And the other wolf is kindness and gentility and all of the good things that come with the human condition. And as the proverb goes, the grandfather is explaining to the child about the 2 wolves, and the child asks, well, which wolf is the one that grows? And the old man says, the one you feed. So I'm going to start feeding the good wolf. I'm going to start feeding the wolf that's filled with the kindness and the goodness and the gentleness, and that's the wolf that I'm going to start feeding. That's the part of me that I'm going to start paying attention to. For far too long, I have dealt with, I fed the other wolf. Great example of that, 2 days at Disney World, we had a meltdown, and it could have very well, if I was at work, I would have done everything in my power to prevent that from happening. But because I wasn't at work and I was at home, I let that wolf eat. And I'm going to starve him. From here on out, I'm just going to starve him. I'm not going to let him have any sustenance. And the bad wolf is not going to be fed inside of me anymore. I'm going to do everything in my power to feed the good wolf. So I'm going to do, like I say, everything I can to make sure that I'm a good person. And if I have to look at that as feeding the good wolf and letting the bad wolf starve, then that's what I'm going to do. So, almost home. Like I say, I'm going to do some yard work, get some cleaning done outside, try to clean up the music room, and just make some positive things happen today. So, I've left work behind. When I come home, I'm going to shed this uniform, and I'm just going to get to work on some good stuff. I will post more later. It's David Smith, the Correctional Officer Lifestyle. Talk to you later.